Just got off the ship. What are you doing?
Well, we've just arrived in
Cartagena. It's on the bus right there.
Cartagena.
You gotta read the cue cards up there. We have cue cards. We're doing the panoramic view of Cartagena today in Spain. And this is our bus that we're gonna be getting on. And we're gonna go from there. All these tours.
Big roundabout here. In Spain, we love to put things on roundabouts. In this one, we've got a submarine. It is not the original one. This is a special submarine. It is a replica. The original one, it is on a naval museum. This is a replica, slightly smaller, actually, than the original one, from the first submarine, electrical submarine with torpedoes invented in the world in the year 1888 by Isaac Peral y Caballero, born here in Cartagena the 1st of June of 1851.
Entering the museum.
Okay, this corridor is given access to the
It's giving us access to the site.
Be careful now. Yeah, with the floor, actually just find the step, because there's a plastic thing covering a mosaic floor in here. And then
I think there's a way down now.
there it is. In here we
It looks like
have
it
a
goes
mosaic
down.
floor from a Roman villa. And we are on the 15th century cathedral.
15th century cathedral. That is what this is.
We can see, for example, different techniques of construction from different periods. Roman, Christian,
Roman, Christian, Byzantine, all different construction here.
that it looks like concrete. This is the typical technique used by...
Oh wow, we're almost there, y'all. We are about to arrive at the old Roman theater. This theater sit 7,000 people in here.
Again, total 700. Has hecho 7,000, sorry.
That's the stage.
This is open,
3 different tiers.
and the archaeologists, they are working on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
And remember
And they're still
that,
finding
over
stuff
there,
over there.
yes,
That's
over
what they're
there.
doing. The
This
archaeologist
passage
is
from Casa
digging.
Condesa de Peralta. That's the
Wow.
passage from the building where everything in the Romans.
They built, the Romans built theaters like this on the side of a hill.
But in this case, they are going to use the hillside of Monte de la Concepción.
And there's the hill that they built it off of. Wow. In 87, they were building a craft center of some sort. And then while they were building and doing construction, they found this place. And they dug it until the late 90s, finding this place. Wow. Let's take a walk around. That's the cathedral we were in over here.
Stairs.
Let's go down and be on the stage.
And the rest of the group, I will show you how to go back here.
No railings, so you gotta be careful.
Down there, the group leaves the
Alrighty, they did a lot of comedy supposedly back in those days. Marcy's always saying I'm making jokes, so I'm gonna be the comedian here and get on stage. And there's what it would look like back in the Roman days to be a performer. And this would have been your audience out here. And right here would have been the orchestra, the band, or whatever musicians they had back then. And then up top, very top up there, would have been the elite, the people with a lot of clout. Wow. I know you're curious what's on the other side of this. Let's pop you over and see. I have no idea. Let's see. Was there anything over there? I don't know, I can't see. Guess I could go over there and look, but let's go here and see what they're still digging. They're still digging some stuff over here. They're still finding things. They got it blocked off here. There's the excavations going on. Didn't show the pottery, but the pottery is, did not know this. If you see like old ancient Roman pottery, it was like the plastic of that time. It was only used once, no more, because it was very absorbent, and whatever you put in there, like olive oil, it will turn bad eventually, and so the pottery is no good. So they normally only used it for maybe once. That guy's missing his head. Rosemary, lavender.
A lot of cypress. There's one.
Cypress. Baileys.
That we use a lot of on our cooking.
We have made it to another stop, and this one is quite amazing. Look at that. This lighthouse is 269 feet to the top. Me and Marcy have decided not to do it today because we've already walked enough, and we got more walking to do at other sites. We got more walking to do at other sites. 269 feet to the top. And yeah, it's still operational, is what our tour guide said. They still have a lighthouse keeper in there. And on one side of this island is on one side of this slip of land, there's the Mediterranean. And then right there on the other side is the Mediterranean. So it's a little slither of land that we're on, and both sides are surrounded by the Mediterranean. That's it for the lighthouse. We'll go on to the next stop now, after we get a little bite to eat here. The lighthouse has a restrooms and a little cafe and everything. So I've finished our tour. What did you think, baby?
Oh, the tour was great. Didn't love the going over the mountain part, but
Yeah,
other than that, it was awesome.
that was a little scary, and I didn't have the camera out to catch it, but it was crazy. But we got one last thing to show you. One more thing before we got off the bus. What is it?
We are going to get a coffee, but not just any coffee. This is a coffee only made here. Got 43 ingredients is all I know, and one of those ingredients is sweetened condensed milk. So yeah.
Okay, well, let's go try it, and we'll take you along, and maybe you can savor it with us, so to speak.
I'll let you know how it is.
Alrighty, there it is. We're about to give it a try. Now to prepare. That's it. There it is.
Cafe.
Alright, let's try it.
It's pretty hot. Oh my. Oh, it's lovely.
What does it taste like? I smell it. Smells.
You have to just taste it. It's hot though, be careful.
Smells cinnamony.
Yeah, it is. Here.
Now my turn, I guess, to try it.
It is cinnamon.
Yeah, you can definitely tell there's cinnamon in there. Like a gingerbread coffee with what's the syrup? This
Sweetened condensed milk.
sweetened condensed milk. Yeah, it's good. Not my cup of tea, but Marcy's cup of tea or coffee, as the case may be. Good, huh?
Oh yeah, it's very good. It's very rich.
Yeah.